Kaya nga.
Nung kubo, nung sa
Bawal tambay dito. Yung si sir. So, ako si Kai. Pero naman di magpalamang.
Taas ang ano, award! Taas ang award! Taas ang award! 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 Certificate! Sabi niya sa akin, gusto niya raw medal para matuwa raw mama niya.
A03, I now certify and confirm that the 13 students from Balete Relocation Site Elementary School, beneficiaries of the 6 projects, graduates of the project implementation.
I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation from Project Buklat, composed of 7 males and 3 females, with a total number of 10.
Two old friends. Meet again. Guys, bagay sila ni Kuya.